This method is a last resort to do a tire rotation. Using jack stands or a lift is the safest method for rotating your tires. But unfortunately, I don't have mine here at the moment, and these tires really do need to be rotated. So I'm just going to use a jack and the spare tire that comes with the car. With that being said, don't put any part of your body underneath of the car while it is jacked up. It's rare for a jack to fail, but it can and has happened before, so proceed with caution. Now let's get started. I'll be following the instructions in the owner's manual for rotating the tires on this Toyota Corolla Hybrid. So the front tires go to the rear and the rear tires go on the front on the same side. And then I'll just do this on the other side and then I'll be finished.